Hola, ¿qué tal? Today we are going to start studying the numbers from 0 to 50, and the next video we are going to do presentation about ourselves, and it will be a little bit funny. So we are going to start now. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. Una vez más. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 y 10. You will see that later, from 20, we start repeating the numbers again. Okay, so now we are going to start from 10 to 20. And you will see that now there are some tricky numbers. Yeah, the most tricky come from 11 to 15. Those ones are a little bit tricky, so I use the blue chalk to write them. So the blue chalk means that you have to pay special attention, kind of. This is like an exception, let's say. Yeah. These ones, as you can see, are a little bit difficult because you have to learn them. Then you will see that the numbers repeat themselves again and again and again, and then the system is much more structured and easy. But these ones are a little bit tricky. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. This end in th, as you can see. Okay, so now we are going to start from 16. And you will see that now it's pretty easy, because 16 is 16. So basically, if we divide this, we see that we have 10, but written with C, because after comes an E. An E and 6. That would be translated into English 10 and 6. So basically you have to think that. 16. How do you think it would be? 17? Let's think about it. 17. Exactly. Veinte. 20. So now we start from 21, and we write in one single word. 21. So as you can see, we change here, the E changes into an E. 21. We don't say 21, we say 21. And then we continue like this system. 20 and 1. How will be 22? 22. 22. 30, 30. So, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so now from 31, we are going to follow one system up till 100. So now it's pretty easy. We just divide now the word in 3 different words. So we say 30, then we write I, and this time we are going to write it separately, and we are going to write I like that. 31, 30 and 1. We continue. 30 y 3, 30 y 4, 30 y 5, 36, 37, 38, 39, then finally 40. Pay attention that now I'm talking very slowly so you understand me. But when a Spanish person will say that, they won't say 31, they will say 31. Very fast, like one word, 31, 32, 33, 34. But we write it in three different words. Then we have 40, 40, 40. And we continue the same, exactly the same system as here. 41, we continue 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and finally we have 50. 50. And then we continue exactly the same. 51, 52, 53. So from 30 we start writing basically in 3 words. 30 and 1. 30 and 2. 30 and 3. 40 and 4. 50 and 5. So I hope it was not too complicated. You have to practice at home a lot. And nos vemos mañana en el próximo vídeo, ¿vale? Y vamos a hacer presentación. We are going to do presentation. ¿Sí? Venga. Muchos ánimos. Adiós.